Zika.
Acum.
Hello everyone and welcome. Last day of work. I know I said that in the last video, but hey, it's last day of work because we made the long weekend. Anyway, the point is, still nice outside. We're outside, and I'm doing the girders. I'm planning them and then sanding them a bit just to get them smooth, and then we are painting them with lacquer. Varnish. We're varnishing them so they're fine. Okay, so this is the whole setup. We have them all down. They have been drilled holes and everything, and now they're ready. I am doing the planning and sanding, and my wife over there, who's right now holding the camera and filming everything, is painting them, is varnishing them. So I'll just give you a few snippets of this and that, and then when she's not looking, I will film her while she's painting. Okay, so my job is done. I finished planing and sanding the girders. So now, shh, don't tell her. Let's film her. Look, my wife has also been very, very busy and has been painting these. Actually, again, I keep messing up the word. It's not paint, it's varnish. She's varnishing them. It's a colored varnish. It's venge. So it's the same color as all of our window frames and door frames and so on and so forth. So yes, they're ready. We're just going to let them dry here until next week when I will come and mount them. But yeah, this is totally done for today. So stick around for absolutely, and this time I promise is the last one because I'm not coming back here in the cold winter months. They want to be in the video. He wants to be in the video. Say bye to the people. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
And that's the other one. He's also in the video. Anyway. Yeah, so again, I'm not coming back in the winter months. It's going to be too cold to work. I'm just going to mount these and be done with it for this year. I promise. No more. And my wife says, depends on how warm it is. I'm sending you to work. Just kidding. Just kidding. All right. Final shot. There you go. Don't forget to, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Bye-bye. See you.